that we on earth might rightly answer that melodious noise, as once we did, ere disproportioned sin jarred against nature's chime, and with harsh din broke the fair music that all creatures made to their great Lord, whose love their motion swayed in perfect diapason, whilst they stood in first obedience and their state of good. Oh, that we might soon again renew that song and keep in tune with heaven, till God, ere long, to his high consort us unite, to sing to him in everlasting morn of light. I bring greetings from Honor the Manga to greet in this sacred place, to greet the departed from this hapu. I cannot emphasize enough the sacredness of this moment and this beautiful